Hello everybody, welcome back. Fumbler here, and today I have another BKS lock for you. And as you can see, it's not a pin tumbler but a dimple lock. Works just fine. And I looked on the key area and thought, well, it looks somewhat similar to the ISEO. And actually, yeah, the key fits in both, so it seems to be the same keyway. The thing is with this BKS, I cannot find it on the homepage of BKS anymore. I got it from eBay, so most of the time I get a lock set. And yeah, I don't know if they don't sell these anymore or whatever, but it seems to be not have been produced so often, so you hardly ever find those. So maybe a rarity, I don't know. If you have more info, let me know. So as with the ISEO, I put the tension on the right side of the keyway and will pick from the left side here with the straight flag, the G Pro 06 from multi-pick. And yeah, it likes rather heavy tension. And yeah, let's get picky. So 3 was binding. Pick that, I think. That is 5, I think. 4. Okay, just touched 6 and got into a nice false set. 1 is binding with good counter rotation. Okay, 2 still binding. Okay, let's find the spool. So this is 4, I think. Slipped off it. Let's see. Damn it, I keep slipping off. Ah, there it is. Okay, really cool. So it is full of security pins, that's for sure, but also quite fun to pick. The feedback is quite good and not so hard to get it open. Now the challenge is to get the C-clip off without relocking it. There we go. Okay. Let's get a pinning tray. Put the plug here first. And we will need a front follower, of course. Sorry. Chamber 6 already shot out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can leave the springs inside, I think. And 6 was a standard, and here in 5 is a spool. Come on, focus. Yeah. I'll show you the pins in the end. Okay, that spring can stay in as well. I'm so sorry, they just shoot out at the moment. Come on. Another spool in 4. And yet another spool. Was too quick for me. No, it's a standard, sorry. And 3. And a spool in 2. And another spool in 1. So let's have a quick look at the core. As you see, no zero lifts basically, but in N6 it's only a very short lift. But then, yeah, let's populate some chambers, not all. Yeah, in 1 is another spool, but I think you get the picture from that. Can you focus, please? Yeah, all the spools have been effective. So, yeah, I mean, you saw how much I get back and forth with the full set, right? So, really cool. Let's also have a look at the key pins to complete the picture. Those are all standard. Maybe they are steel. They look quite shiny, but I guess not. Oh, the core has some hole. Maybe for anti-drill or so, but yeah, just to be sure that you don't get a driver stuck in there. Okay, it could be quite annoying, but maybe you can save it with a steep hook or so. Anyhow, let's have a look at the pins. Still figuring out how to show you the shiny pinning tray. So all key pins are standard, and we have spools in 1, 2, 4, and 5, and standards in 3 and 6. Yeah, but that's all I have for you today on this very nice BKS dimple lock. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, and see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.